In this reading, we will learn the vocabulary words listed here.
Celebrating traditions.
Traditions are an important part of every culture. They help us remember our past, bring families together, and give meaning to our lives. In my family, we have many traditions that we celebrate every year. One of my favorites is our holiday dinner. Every December, the whole family gathers at my grandparents' house. My grandmother cooks a special meal using recipes that have been passed down for generations. We eat together, tell stories, and enjoy each other's company. Weddings are another important tradition in many cultures. They are a time when two people promise to spend their lives together. Different cultures have different customs, but the meaning is always the same: love and commitment. Birthday parties are also a way to celebrate and mark the passing of time. In my country, we usually have a cake with candles, and everyone sings a special song. It is a simple tradition, but it makes the birthday person feel loved and special. Some traditions are connected to the seasons. In spring, many cultures celebrate new beginnings and the return of warm weather. In autumn, we often give thanks for the harvest. These traditions help us feel connected to nature and the cycle of life. Traditions can also change over time. Each generation may add something new or do things a little differently. This helps traditions stay alive and relevant. What matters is keeping the spirit of the tradition, not following every rule exactly. I think it is important to preserve our traditions and pass them on to the next generation. They are part of who we are and where we come from. At the same time, we should respect the traditions of other cultures, even if they are different from our own. Traditions give us a sense of belonging and help us feel connected to something bigger than ourselves.